Hello and welcome to day 3 of your daily English speaking practice. Today, we will focus on shopping and ordering food in English. These are everyday situations where you can use English in real life. You will listen to me and repeat each sentence. Speak clearly, take your time, and remember, practice makes progress. Let's get started. Repeat after me. How much is this? It's $10. Do you have this in a larger size? Can I try it on? Where is the fitting room? This is too small for me. This is too big for me. I like this color. Do you have this in blue? I'll take it. Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Here is the money. Thank you. You're welcome. Let's keep going. Repeat with me. Can you help me find the bread? Where can I buy milk? I need a bottle of water. I'm looking for fresh fruit. I want to buy some vegetables. Can I have a plastic bag, please? Can I have a paper bag, please? Do you have any discounts today? That's too expensive. Can you give me a lower price? Now let's move on to ordering food at a restaurant. Repeat after me. Hello, can I see the menu, please? What do you recommend? I'm ready to order. I would like a cup of coffee. I'll have the chicken salad. Can I get this without onions? I'm allergic to peanuts. Can I have some water, please? Could I have the bill, please? That was delicious. Thank you for the meal. The service was great. Let's practice a short shopping conversation. Repeat both parts. Excuse me, how much is this shirt? It's $20. Do you have it in medium size? Yes, here you go. Can I try it on? Sure, the fitting room is over there. I like it. I'll take it. Great. How would you like to pay? By card, please. Here you go. Thank you. You're welcome. Have a nice day. Now, let's practice a restaurant conversation. Repeat after me. Hello. How many people? Just one. Here is your table. Here is the menu. Thank you. What would you like to drink? A glass of water, please. Are you ready to order? Yes. I'll have the pasta and a salad. Would you like dessert? No, thank you. Just the bill, please. Here it is. Thank you very much. Let's learn some polite expressions for shopping and eating out. Excuse me. Could you help me, please? I don't understand. Can you say that again? Can you speak slowly? Thank you very much. That's very kind of you. I appreciate your help. You're welcome. Let's add some useful questions. Repeat after me. Where can I find the bread section? What time do you close? Do you have a vegetarian option? Is there a special today? Can I have extra sauce? Do you have free Wi-Fi? Now let's do another shopping dialogue. Repeat after me. Hi, can I help you? Yes, I'm looking for a pair of shoes. What size do you wear? Size 8. Here are some options. Thank you. Can I try these on? Of course. They fit well. I'll take them. Would you like a bag? Yes, please. That will be $50. Here is my card. Thank you. Have a great day. Let's finish with some motivational sentences. Repeat with energy. I can shop in English. I can order food in English. I am confident in real-life situations. I am improving every day. I speak clearly and politely. I can use English anywhere. I believe in my progress. I enjoy learning English. I am proud of myself. Great job today! You practiced shopping and ordering food in English. These are skills you can use in daily life. Come back tomorrow for day 4 of your speaking challenge. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and always believe in yourself. See you next time.